Hello everybody. This is the demo of the mobile application mini project which is done by Kavya and Rachana. Our app is basically a recipe app which is named as Cookstep. So in this app you can view the recipes uploaded by different users, and you can also upload the recipes of your choice. So this is our app. So now when I click on the app, the splash screen appears with our logo, and it'll take us to the login page. So now for the demo I'll be creating a new user account, so I'll be going to the registration page. So first let me register myself as a new user. So I'm just gonna enter a random detail, like mm, now I'm gonna enter the phone number, and then a password. So then I'm gonna sign up. So now the user has been created and it will take us to the home page. So this is our home page, and the home page basically consists of all the most popular recipes or the most viewed recipes, like different categories. So right now these are the only features that we have enabled. So let me just open the recipe of the brownie. So when I click on the view button, the recipe of the brownie pops up. So this is the recipe of the brownie, and then when I click outside it goes off. So this is the home page. So now let us go to the menu page. So this is the menu page. So what menu page has is, uh, if a user wants to add a recipe, then the user creates a recipe, and then the ones that he has created falls into this menu page. So this is basically like a story page, so where it has all the recipes that the person has created, um, with all the recipe details and the name of the user. So for example, let us consider this. So this is the name of the user, and this is the name of the recipe, and then this is the image of the recipe, and then this is the recipe details. So now if I want to add some recipe to this menu page, let me just show you an example by going to the create recipe page. So this is a create recipe page, and now I'm gonna create a recipe. So I'm just gonna write a recipe, and just enter some random details for recipe details. Now I'm gonna choose a picture for our recipe. So when I click on the choose button, it will go to the photos that I have linked using my account, Gmail account, and now the picture has been uploaded to our um, recipe. So now let me upload the recipe. So when I click on the upload button, our recipe will be uploaded and it will fall on the menu page. So now when we go to the menu page, we find our recipe. So there you go. this is the user that I've created, that is Piyush, and this is the name of our recipe, and this is the image of the recipe, and then this is the recipe details. So now let us go to the profile page, and this is a profile page. So profile page consists of our name, username, and our phone number, and then our email. So now let us log out. Now let me just enter my login details and enter through the ones that I've created just now. So gmail.com, and my password. So now when I log in, comes login successful, and it will take you to the home page. So this is our app, and this is the code of our app. So these are the Java codes of all the pages that we have created, and this is the drawable where it has all the images or the shapes that we have used for our app, and layout consists of all the XML codes, and yeah. So now let me show you our database. So so the database that we have used for this app is Firebase, and in Firebase we have used Firestore database. So yes, so now this in Firestore database, we have stories, two collections, that is stories. So one is stories. So stories is basically the menu page, like the ones that have the users that have created the recipes. All those details come in the stories column. So for example, um, yeah, so this is my user detail that I've created just now for the demo. So this is the name that I have given, and this is the image that I've uploaded for my recipe, and this is the name of my recipe, and this is the recipe details that I have given. So yeah, these are the different users that I have created the recipes before, and it shows in our app, right? So yeah, so these are the other users, and yeah, this is with their recipe details like Thai soup, and then the recipe, and then the name of the user, and next again here pancakes or whatever that comes in stories column. So then comes the users. So users consist of all the details of all the users that have logged into our app. So here everybody who has logged in comes in this column. Stories only consist of the ones that have created the recipes, and users consist of everybody. So yeah, now let us go to the storage. So storage is basically all the images that we have uploaded till date. So it has all the images here, and yeah. So now let us go to authentication. So authentication, yeah, authentication consists of all the user details like the identifier. So the main identifier we have given here is the email. So all the emails are available here, and the create date, that is when the account has been created, and when the user has signed in, and like the latest signed in date. And if I want to delete a particular user, then I click on this, and there is three options. That is, one is to delete an account, and then to disable an account, and to reset my password in case I have forgotten it before. So I can reset it here, and then create a new password, and then log in there. So yeah, so now if I delete an account, then I have to, if this person has to enter our app again, then they have to register from the beginning and then log in. And yeah, so that is the thing about our app. So this is our app, and we have a lot of implementations to do again. So we might think of doing it in the future and portraying it maybe in a better way. So, yes. So, thank you.